Hello viewers, in this video we are to find the value for x. But please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now first of all, you have to take note that the presence of the term root of x and root of 1 minus x show that 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1. So with that, we can form a nice equation from this. So forming a nice equation, I will have root of x minus root of 1 minus x equals 1. This one moves here as negative root of x. So from here, what I have to do is to square both sides of the equation. So squaring both sides, I will have root of x minus root of 1 minus x all to the power 2 equals 1 minus root of x all to the power 2. So with this one, we know that these two cancel this big root. So at the left hand side, I'll have x minus root of 1 minus x equals, expanding this one, I'll have 1 minus 2 root of x plus x. So now from here, I will try to group like terms. So this x moves here, becomes negative, so I'll have 0 here. So moving this one to the right hand side, I'll have negative root of 1 minus x equals 1 minus 2 root of x. So since this one comes here, it becomes 0. So what I have to do next is to eliminate this negative sign. Eliminating this one affects the right hand side. So I'll have root of 1 minus x equals, this one becomes positive, that's 2 root of x minus 1. So from here, what I have to do is to square both sides of the equation. So I will have root of 1 minus x all squared equals 2 root of x minus 1 all squared. Now these two cancel the roots, so I will have 1 minus x equals, expanding the right hand side, I will have 4x minus 4 root of x plus 1. So now I'll try to group like terms. This one moves here, and so I'll have negative x. This one too is 4x, so it moves here. Negative 4x equals negative 4 root of x. When this one moves here, it becomes negative, so I'll have 0 here. So at the left hand side, I'll have negative 5x equals negative 4 root of x. My negative cancel this negative, so I'll have 5x equals 4 root of x. So from here, I can form a nice equation as 5x, this one moves here, negative 4 root of x equals 0. So now what I have to do is to factor things out. So I'll factor root x out. So root x out, I will have 5 root of x minus 4, bracket closes, equals 0. Now if I multiply root x with 5 root of x, it gives me 5x. Since this root s give me x and the 5 multiply the x, and if I multiply this root x with 4, I'll get negative 4 root x. So I can factor this one out. Now with this one, I can equate root of x equals 0 or 5 root of x minus 4 equals 0. So now I'm dealing with the two equations. The first one is root x equals 0, making it the subject x equals 0. Now taking the second one, that's 5 root x minus 4 equals 0. So now with this, I'll have 5 root x equals, this one becomes 4 here. So dividing both sides of the equation by 5, I'll have root x equals 4 divides 5. Now making it the subject, x equals 4 divides 5 all to the power 2. So you can use the calculator to find it as 0.64, or it gives me 16 out of 25. So with this equation, my final value for x is 16 divides 25. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.